Yo, what is up guys? I'm CC Goblin. Welcome back to another video. It's snowing. We're about to go get kids. It's almost 12 o'clock. The heating is working pretty decent so far. She's naked. Well, we're back home again with the kids and the kitty cat.
Åh, till Färjestad då?
We're listening to the radio on a hockey match. Look, it has eyes now. It's so cute. Oh. But the dark one, or the black one, has both eyes open. Oh, it's so cute. You're a good mother. So we're about to pick up my brother-in-law, and maybe if you can see it, I'm not in my car, I'm in his car. I'm in his 945. It's a turbo manual with a defect turbo. That's a turbo that doesn't work. So, and funny thing is, he bought this car from the lady that we bought the house of. He got it real cheap. Could have got it even cheaper. And I'm pretty mad about that because I don't necessarily want this car, but I want a car like this. And yeah, let's go. Also, one more thing. We're gonna try to drift this thing because it's snow outside. Yeah. So this is the border to Sweden, and we're about to burn into it. God damn it. He's eating sausage. Let's see if the mother wants to come in. Psst, psst, psst. Nothing. Well, we're eating night food. What should you do? Lägga den där. Så är det. So it's the morning after. I didn't outro the vlog, I believe. And if I did, well, fuck it. You get 2 outros. So don't forget to leave a like, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you guys tomorrow for the next daily video. Bye.